What if you could train your brain to be more financially successful? Doesn't that sound like an enticing proposition, a journey worth embarking upon? The mere thought of it might seem overly ambitious or even fantastical, but allow me to assure you it is far from being unachievable. It is not only feasible, but is entirely within the realm of the possible. It all begins with one simple yet impactful action: setting lucid, attainable goals. The importance of goal setting in financial success cannot be overstressed. Goals act as your roadmap, your guide to the treasure chest of financial prosperity. Now let's delve a little deeper into this concept. It's not enough to just state a goal, it's crucial to break it down into manageable, measurable chunks. For instance, let's suppose your objective is to earn the impressive sum of $100,000 annually. Sounds significant, doesn't it? But let's break it down to smaller, more digestible pieces. This amount equates to roughly $8,000 per month. If we go further, it amounts to approximately $2,150 each week. This granular view provides clarity and highlights the path to reach your financial goal. This level of specificity is absolutely vital. You see, it's not just about haphazardly stating, "I want to be wealthy." It's not just about aspiring to be affluent without a clear sense of direction. No, it's about so much more. It's about comprehending exactly what prosperity entails according to your distinct perception. It's about knowing the exact value of the riches you seek and methodically working towards achieving them. It's about understanding that wealth is subjective, that it varies from person to person. It's about acknowledging that your definition of rich not be the same as mine or your neighbor's. The crucial part is understanding what richness actually means to you personally. So what if you could train your brain to be more financially successful? It may sound far-fetched, but it's entirely possible. Once your goal is as clear as the morning dew on a fresh spring leaf, it's time to begin the process of crafting a simple yet powerful affirmation. This affirmation is not just a statement, it's a declaration of your intent, a promise you make to yourself. This could be a phrase imbued with positivity and aspiration, something along the lines of, "I am so happy and grateful now that I am earning $10,000 a month." The affirmation is not just about money, it's about perception, a perception of abundance and financial success. It is a statement that must be repeated with conviction and belief, a mantra that governs thoughts, actions, and behaviors. This affirmation, much like the rising and setting sun, should be repeated every morning and every night for a duration of 5 to 10 minutes. But what does the repetition do? It's not just idle words spoken into the ether. No, it's a powerful ritual that you perform daily, visualizing the money being transferred into your bank account. Picture the numbers on your balance statement increasing, each digit a testament to your dedication and hard work. Feel the emotions that come with the consistent income, the sense of security, the aura of achievement. But don't stop there. Let your mind wander further, a bit deeper. Imagine the impact this money will have on different facets of your life. Think about your family, the smiles on their faces, the quality of life improvements they'll enjoy. See yourself donating to the causes you care about, the difference you'll make in the world. This entire exercise of visualization and affirmation is not just a whimsical fantasy. It's a mental stimulation, a psychological push that targets your brain, especially the left prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that's responsible for planning complex cognitive behavior, personality expression, decision-making, and moderating social behavior. It's your personal creative hub, the place where strategies are birthed and executed to reach your goals. This mental exercise stimulates your brain, especially the left prefrontal cortex, helping you devise strategies to achieve your goals. Reinforcing these affirmations with a vision board is a brilliant next step. Envisioning the kind of life such earnings can bring to you is a powerful activity. Imagine acquiring a brand new luxurious car, the kind that you have always dreamt of owning. Visualize yourself holding the wheel, feeling the smooth leather, and hearing the roar of the engine as it comes to life. Think of a beautiful home, not merely a house, but a sanctuary, a place where every room is filled with love and laughter, where each corner holds a special memory. Imagine the smell of your favorite meals wafting from the kitchen, the warmth of the fireplace during winter nights, and the coolness of the pool during hot summer days. Now visualize the exotic places you'd like to visit. Picture yourself exploring the narrow alleyways of Venice, climbing the Great Wall of China, or basking in the warm sun on a Caribbean beach. Each day, ask yourself what steps you take today to turn this vision into reality. Look for opportunities to learn and grow that will pave the way towards your envisioned lifestyle. Take small steps every day and remember that consistency is the key to success. Physical action is not enough. Mental practice and visualization play significant roles in preparing your mind for financial success. Power of your thoughts should not be underestimated. Every day, spend a few minutes affirming your goals and desires, visualizing them as if they have already happened. The law of attraction states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on and feel strongly about. Your brain, when trained well, is a potent tool towards achieving financial success. It's a journey, not a race, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Physical action, combined with mental practice and visualization, is an excellent way to train your brain for financial success. To recap, the process of training your brain for financial success follows these steps. Firstly, set clear, achievable financial goals. This is crucial because the brain responds effectively to specific targets and tasks. These goals could range from saving for a house, investing in a business venture, or simply increasing your income. It's important to remember that these goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, create an affirmation for your financial goals and repeat this daily. The power of positive affirmations in shaping our mindset cannot be underestimated. This affirmation should be a statement that embodies the financial success you aim to achieve. It could be as simple as, "I am capable of achieving my financial goals," or something more specific to your situation. The key is to repeat it regularly, allowing it to replace any negative thoughts or beliefs you might have about money. Thirdly, visualize the impact of your financial success. This can stimulate your brain to strategize better and work towards your financial goals. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you maintain focus on your goals and keep your motivation high. When you visualize, you're essentially creating a mental image of your financial success. You could imagine the lifestyle that you'd be able to afford, the people you help, or the security you could provide for your family. The next step is to incorporate a vision board to represent your desired lifestyle. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and the lifestyle you want to achieve. It could include pictures of the house you want to buy, the car you want to drive, or the vacations you want to take. Looking at this board daily can serve as a powerful reminder of what you're working towards. Lastly, take daily actions to make your vision a reality. This could include saving a certain amount of money each day, seeking investment opportunities, or improving your financial literacy. Every small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. By following this guide, you'll be well on your way to training your brain for financial success. Remember, the power to achieve your financial dreams is within you. It's time to seize it.